Hey guys, what's up? This is DJ Zinhle. So this is the last episode of my 4-part series of the Winter Warmers with McCain. And hi guys, you guys are not ready. Today, I am making a beef stew. Shocking, I know. But first, let me introduce you to a special guest that's joining me in the kitchen today, the Philips all-in-one cooker. So this cooker is going to do all the work for me because as much as I would like to think I'm a chef, I'm still just a DJ. Here's what I'm going to use. Olive oil, chopped onions, peppers, garlic, some tomato paste, beef shin, blended spices. Blended spices. Nicely. There we go. Some Worcester sauce. Is that how you say it? Well, you need to add it. Okay. Lastly, beef stock. Okay, just gonna mix this up a little bit. Okay, now this is ready. We need to get the star of the show. The McCain mixed veg. Let's get it. Looks great. So now that this is ready, I'm going to put it in the cooker, select the beef setting, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so I've got 10 minutes. While that cooks, I'm gonna go sell some earrings. Okay, so I can't wait to taste this. It looks so good. Okay, here it goes. So sadly for you, this was the last episode of my Winter Warmers with McCain. I'm sure you're gonna miss me, but now I have to go back to being a DJ. This has been great. I'll find you at the restaurant.